Hello again, this is Max of CryptoZilla. As promised in my previous video where I explain how prediction markets work, today I'll do a tutorial on Zeitgeist platform and will show how to participate in prediction markets. Up here connect your wallet. The platform supports Polkadot, Chess Wallet, Subwallet and Talisman. After connecting you will see your ZTG balance and on the right there is the current ZTG price. First tab is markets. Here are currently trading markets with the highest ZTG volume. Market name, number of possible outcomes for each market. So this Kusama market has 2 possible outcomes and this US midterm Senate market has 3. And here is the current expected outcome of this market, so the prediction of the majority of participants. These are prediction markets categories. Here you can filter markets, so you can display only currently active markets, proposed markets which still need to be approved and activated, or markets that end soon but you can still participate in them. So each market has a name. The name of this Kusama market is XO price 1 week after launch. And here is the question asked. The floor price of the Kusama collection on Ethereum will be higher than 5 ETH on September 28th. Since I find this particular market interesting and I believe I can correctly predict the outcome, now I need to buy the outcome token, which I believe reflects the most likely outcome of this market. I can either click this down arrow and will have an option to buy yes or no token right away, or I can maximize this market by clicking on this square icon and I will see the additional information of this market. Here is the end date, current status, price pool and ZTG liquidity in this market. So this Kusama market ends in 9 days and is currently open for trading. Here is the chart indicating how the price of yes and no tokens developed over time since the market opened for trading. Yes token is the green line, no is the blue one. The outcome tokens are denominated in ZTG. Down here there is additional information which further elaborates on the question asked in this market and also how the market will be resolved. Here is the Zeitgeist address of the creator of this market and also the oracle of this market, usually the same address. This is the account that will be responsible for submitting the outcome when this market ends. Here are outcome tokens, yes and no. Here is the current overall prediction of all participants in this market, 43% to 57% in favor of no. Total value is basically the price of the token in ZTG, so I can now buy yes token for 0.43 ZTG, which is around 5 cents, or I can buy no token each for 0.56 ZTG. No token is more expensive of these two, meaning the demand for no has been slightly higher thus far, which means more participants in this market believe no will be the right outcome. Also, the price changed within the last 24 hours and the buy and sell options for both tokens. Now I think the correct outcome of this Kusama market will be yes, and I also quite like the current risk-reward ratio which yes token offers. Right now the token costs 0.43 ZTG, and if yes eventually turns out to be a winning token, I will redeem each yes token for 1 ZTG. Meaning I would make over 0.55 ZTG profit on each yes token, so more than 100% profit. So I click buy and here on the right this buy window pops up. So I'm about to buy yes token in XO price 1 week after launch market. The price per 1 yes token. Here is my current balance of yes tokens in this market. I have none so far. Here I enter the amount of yes tokens I want to purchase. Let me add 1. And now I see how much I'm about to pay in ZTG. Down here there is a total ZTG cost that will be transferred from my Zeitgeist wallet. I click sign transactions, sign with my password, and I have successfully purchased 1 yes token in this Kusama floor price prediction market. There is also an option to buy both tokens by clicking on buy full set. That way you will buy the same amount of both yes and no tokens at the same time. To check my open positions and the outcome tokens that I hold, click my account and my portfolio. Here is my yes token that I have just bought, ZTG price per 1 token, so this price is constantly changing, and the total value if I held multiple yes tokens. Now let's assume the situation in Kusama floor price has changed and I feel like selling my yes token. I click sell, again this window appears. My balance is 1, so I can only sell 1. The current price of 1 token for which I'm selling in ZTG, and this is how much ZTG I will receive in total. Again, sign transactions, I signed with my password and I have sold 1 yes token. So Yes token is not anymore in my portfolio and my ZTG balance has increased by those 0.43 ZTG. This way you can freely buy or sell outcome tokens of any prediction market anytime and take advantage of price fluctuations. This trade slip option allows you to add multiple buy or sell orders. So for instance, I can add I want to buy one Yes token in Fala World Launch Market and I also want to sell one No token from this Will AUSD Stabilize in 2022 market. There is also this Exchange tab. You can directly buy or sell outcome tokens of all active prediction markets when you click buy or sell. And then click here yes or no. First will be displayed the markets of which you already hold outcome tokens. So I go to sell no token from Will AUSD Stabilize in 2022 market. Holding 1, gonna sell 1. This is the price per 1 token in ZTG and here is how much ZTG I will receive in total. I would also like to show you how to check the prediction market resolution and how to redeem winning tokens for ZTG. You need to filter prediction markets and display only resolved markets. The first market on Zeitgeist application that has been closed, then the outcome has been reported by the Oracle and eventually resolved, was this sports market, the football match between Real Madrid and Leipzig. Maybe some minor technical difficulties as this market is not loading properly. Anyways, there was this phase during which the market was open. Once the market was closed on September 14th, the Oracle had to report the outcome of this market, that is this yellow period, which ended on September 15th. And I believe this red line indicated the period during which disputes over the reported outcome could have been submitted. So since there were probably no disputes over the reported outcome, the market was resolved and the consensus has been reached on the outcome. Once this market loads fine, here you will be able to redeem each winning token for 1 ZTG. So it's quite a process from the creation of the prediction market till its resolution. It comprises of several phases, but the more I'm playing with the app, the more I like it. It just takes a little while and participating in a few markets to get familiar with it. Also under my account and Zeitgeist identity, you can mint your avatar NFT if you haven't already. Minting will cost you 200 ZTG, which will be burned once you have this avatar NFT. You can collect equipable NFT badges. The more you participate in prediction markets, the more badges you will earn. And lastly, everyone can also create their own prediction market under Create Market tab. Here is the process of market creation, market name, most importantly market question, and date of the market, and possible outcomes. Zeitgeist team is working on their application tutorial where everything will be explained much better than I did. Overall, I'm really glad prediction markets on Zeitgeist platform are live, as now ZTG gets a strong utility. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.